For creating shipment plan, for case pack template, we just need to select the items and click on send replenish inventory. Once we will click on this button, we have to click on yes and continue. A new page will be open in front of you, and here you have to add the address from where your inventory is coming. Like in my case, my inventory is coming from China, so I just add the address from Chinese supplier. And here you have to select individual units or case pack. In individual units, you can add multiple ASINs in one box, but in case pack, you have to add one ASIN in one box. So in my case, I am adding case pack, and here I can name this case pack template any name. I can add my variation name, or I can add any name, and here I will add the number of units which I will pack in one box, and the dimension of that box and weight of that box. The weight should be in lbs, not in kgs. Once I will add all the information, I will click on save and continue. And then I will add number of boxes after selecting the templates which I want to select, and I just click on the the specific template, and I will add the number of units, and I will click on the ready to send. And once I will click on ready to send, it will redirect me to the other page. That will be the date of expected date of delivery. So in my case, my inventory is coming from China, so I am selecting the date which supplier is uh, suggesting me. So they will provide me an address for the warehouse for which I have to send the inventory, and if I used UPS, that is a partner carrier, they will charge me, and we have to pay via Amazon Seller Central because they are a partner carrier service. But as my range is different, my inventory is coming from China, that's why I have selected different uh, carrier services, and then I will click on accept and continue. Once I will click on the button accept and continue, it will redirect me to the other portion of the page, and here I can print the box label. So I will just download that, and here I want to mention a thing that if you are sending 6 boxes, you will have 6 boxes in this 6 labels in this PDF. But if you will use UPS carrier, then you will supposed to have 12 labels. Thank you.